Why do importers prefer using trade finance facilities? Nearly 90% of world trade occurs with the use of trade finance services. But why most of the importers prefer using trade finance? This is because when they are importing goods from an overseas supplier, it will take several weeks to reach the destination port. If you have decided to pay your supplier after receiving the goods, will your supplier wait for a few months to receive the payment without any guarantee? Or are you ready to pay your supplier in advance prior to shipment without any guarantee of receiving the goods? The answer to both questions is undoubtedly no. Here comes the importance of using trade finance. Trade finance facilities, such as letter of credit and standby letter of credit, can help importers to give the required payment assurance to the suppliers and to import goods without paying cash in advance. Are you looking to use trade finance facilities for your next trade deal? But are you facing limited bank facilities or lack of cash flow to get support from your bank? Contact Bronzewing Trading L.L.C, the trade finance providers in Dubai, to get LCMT 700, SBL CMT 760, and bank guarantee from good-rated European banks at zero collateral. For more info, email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 97145519699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487661. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.